Introduction to Algebra. What seems to be the problem, Jordan? Why do we need letters in mathematics? It's so confusing. Are you struggling like Jordan and can't seem to understand why there are letters in algebra? Don't worry, I am here to help you. In algebra, instead of using boxes, we use letters to represent unknown numbers. So we can replace the box with the letter X. The letter X is called a variable, and a variable is a letter that represents an unknown value. We can use letters from the alphabet such as A, G, E, M, S, or Y. An algebraic expression contains numbers, operators, and letters. A number in algebra we call constants, and these are fixed numbers such as 8, 2, 5, 6. An operator is a symbol indicating a mathematical operation such as our plus, our multiplication, division, and subtraction signs. Our letters, as we know, are called our variables, and we can use any letter from the alphabet such as E, M, or even S. In algebra, 3 times 5 is a short way of writing 5 plus 5 plus 5. Similarly, in algebra, 3 times x is a short way of writing x plus x plus x. In algebra, no longer do we need to write the multiplication sign. Therefore, 3 times x can be written as 3x. In the expression 3x, the 3 is called the coefficient of x, and a coefficient is a number multiplied by a variable. In each expression, we have terms, and a term is the name given to a number, a variable, or a number and a variable combined by a multiplication or a division. A term is also an expression that is separated by an addition or subtraction sign. So in this expression, 3x plus 4y plus 12, 3x, 4y, and 12 are considered to be terms. So therefore, in this expression, we have 3 terms. Like terms are terms with the same variable. So for example, 5x plus 4 plus 2x, 5x and 2x are considered to be like terms because they have the same variable. The variables can also be raised to the same power or exponent. So for example, in 3x squared y minus 2 plus 8yx squared, our x's are raised to the same exponent. So therefore, 3x squared y and 8yx squared are considered to be like terms. The order of the variable does not matter, and the coefficient can also be different. Like terms can be added or even subtracted. Unlike terms are terms with different variables, such as in this example, 4p plus 4 plus 2p squared. 4p, 4, and also 2p squared are considered to be unlike terms because they do not have the same variable and the variables are not raised to the same power. Also in this example, x squared y minus 9 plus 2xy squared. Our x variables are not raised to the same power, and our y variables are not raised to the same power. Therefore, these are considered to be unlike terms, and in unlike terms, we cannot add them or subtract them. Let us identify the terms, the like terms, the coefficient, variables, and even constants in the following expression: 8x plus xy plus 4x plus 5. You can pause this video for a moment and attempt to answer these questions that follow. The like terms in this expression, remember, like terms are terms that have the same variable. So we have the variable 8x and 4x being considered like terms. How many terms are in this expression? Remember, our expressions are separated by either a plus or a minus sign. So we have 4 terms. What are the coefficients? Coefficients are a number that is before a variable. So 8x, we have 8 being the coefficient. xy has a coefficient of 1 and 4x has a coefficient of 4. So our coefficients are 8, 1, and 4. The constant terms are our numbers. So therefore 5 is considered to be our constant. The variables are x and y. Let's do a quick recap. 6x plus 4y minus 8. Remember, our variables are our letters. Our coefficients are our numbers that are before our variables. 8 is considered to be a constant, and there are 3 terms in this expression: 6x, 4y, and 8. Remember, the greatest factor for success is self-esteem, believing you can do it, believing you can achieve it, believing you deserve it. See you in our next video.